how to create LionDesk contact from Google Form responses automatically. So here I will teach you how to integrate Google Forms and LionDesk CRM in such a way that whenever any new form submission is received in your form builder software, how the same form submission data can be created as a contact in LionDesk CRM. Want to create this automation for yourself? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my Google Forms and this is my LionDesk CRM dashboard, and to integrate these two applications I am going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. I am an existing user, so I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free task to test this automation. Now after reaching out to the dashboard, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. I have pasted the name as create LionDesk contact from Google Forms responses. Okay, now simply click on create, and after that you will find two boxes in front of you. Okay, so these are actually trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customers. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, whenever any new form submission is received in this Google Form Builder software, now in this particular case I am going to sync the contact of Google Forms with the LionDesk, but it is not compulsory. You can sync the contact of any other form builder also with the LionDesk CRM. You just need to search for that specific form builder software. Okay, so let me again search for the same software, that is Google Forms. Alright, and I want that as soon as a new form submission is received, the data should be updated into the LionDesk CRM. Okay, so I have searched for both the application in this trigger and the action window. Okay, and now the idea here is I'm going to connect these two applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first discuss our Google Form with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so simply select the new form responses received. Okay, and now here you can notice that after selecting this event, a webhook URL and few set of instruction it has provided to us. Okay, so with the help of this URL only, we are going to build a connection in our Google Forms and Pabbly Connect. Now where exactly I am going to paste this webhook URL? Okay, so firstly I will open the sheet of this particular Google Form, basically the sheet that is associated with this particular form, and here exactly I am going to paste the same webhook URL. Okay, let me first correct the format of this spreadsheet so that you can see the data very clearly. I hope after that you will find this spreadsheet looking even better. Okay, so I hope everything is visible to you. Now once you open your spreadsheet, simply click on extension, click on add-ons, click on get add-ons, and here search for the Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on. Okay, let me do the same, that is Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on. Okay, so firstly you will always have to install this add-on. In my account it is already installed, so I am going to close it directly. Okay, and once you will install this add-on, you can open that add-on from here. Okay, so you'll have to click on extension once again, click on Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then click on initial setup, and here exactly we are going to paste the same webhook URL which we have received from Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I have deleted the existing data firstly, I'm sorry for that, and in the trigger column I will specify the last data entry column of this spreadsheet. Okay, also read the instructions that the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Okay, so it is asking to specify the column name on filling of which this automation will trigger, or we can say the data will be sent to Pabbly Connect automatically. Okay, so coming back to my spreadsheet, and here let me add the column name as G, and as soon as I click on send a test, you will notice that it will say no data found in row 2. Okay, so currently there is no data available in the spreadsheet. So how it is going to send the data to Pabbly Connect? Okay, and here you can notice it is still waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so firstly I am going to preview this form and going to make a dummy submission in front of you so that I can send that dummy data to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me fill this form first. Alright, so I have provided the name as demo user, the email address as demo@pabblytunes.com, and again it is a dummy email address, a dummy phone number. Then I have provided the city as Bhopal, a query topic and the description. Okay, and now I am going to submit this form, and you will see the data firstly will be added into this spreadsheet. And now again I'll click on extension, clicking on Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here exactly I am going to send the data. I'm going to click on that button once again, and this time you will notice that the data will be received via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so this is my spreadsheet. Let me paste the webhook URL once again. The trigger column is going to be the same. Clicking on this send test button and wait for the response to be sent, and here you can notice it is clearly saying that the test data sent successfully. So simply click on that submit button and close it, and when you will come back to Pabbly Connect, you will notice the same data, the response is received. So let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the same trigger column, here we have the spreadsheet name, here we also have the row index, the query topic, the phone number, the name, and I think I have missed this particular value. Okay, how about I check it once again? Okay, so how about I delete this extra column from here? Okay, and then I'm going to send this data once again into Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I have clicked on this recapture webhook response button, open this extension, click on Pabbly Connect webhook setup, can you click on initial setup, and then I will send the same data once again. Alright, coming back to Pabbly Connect and again waiting for that data. Well, the data is not arrived. I know what is wrong with this. Remember, we have specified the trigger column as H, but currently we do not have any data in H, so that is why it is saying that no data found in row 2. Now I will have to change this trigger column as G, because now we have the data up to G column only. Okay, and clicking on the send test button once again, and again the test data has been sent successfully. Let us once again wait for that response. Alright, so here we have all the details, the phone number, the name, email address, the query, the city, and every single data. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our Google form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time a new user will submit this form, firstly those details will be added into this spreadsheet, and after that the same data will be sent to Pabbly Connect automatically. But for that you will have to enable a very important setting. Okay, make sure that you enable this send on event option. I am repeating this again. If this option is enabled, if it is tick marked, that means it is enabled, and this will ensure that every time a new data will be added into the row, that data will be sent to Pabbly Connect automatically. And the second important thing is, whenever you are working with the Google Sheets and Google Forms with Pabbly Connect, make sure that either you work into the incognito window, or multiple Gmail accounts should not be logged in at the same time, or you can say into the same tab. I am repeating this again. Either work into the incognito window or multiple Gmail accounts should not be logged in at the same time. Okay, in the same tab. Okay, so coming back to Pabbly Connect dashboard, and now onwards every time a new form response is received, those details will be instantly captured via Pabbly Connect, because this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. And now I want to send this data to LionDesk CRM. Okay, so the application is already selected. Simply select the action event, that is create a contact, because I want to do the same. And just like we have connected Google Forms and Pabbly Connect, this time we are going to connect a LionDesk CRM with the Pabbly Connect. So I have clicked on that button, and now it is asking me for the permission because I am already logged in into a different tab. tab. Okay, so here you will notice that the authorization is successful and my LionDesk CRM is connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for several details, so I am going to provide the data only into the important fields which are actually required for creating our contact. Okay, so let's say it is asking for the first name and the last name. So let me add the first name. Remember, it was something demo user. Alright, so I do not have the first name and last name individually. Okay, so what I can do is I can map the full name into the last name field also, because this is something which is required. Okay, but make sure that when you are about to create this automation, you take the first name and last name individually. Okay, so this is a small tip from my side. Asking for the email address, so again I am going to search for the email address from this drop down. Alright, so this is the email address. Now you must be thinking that what exactly I am doing. Okay, so whatever the details I am mapping here from the drop down, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Yes, I am repeating this once again. Whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, so I think I have provided all the important data which are actually required for creating a contact. Let us visit our contact section, and after that I am going to click on that save and send test request button. Well, I am already into the contact section. Here you can notice, and there is just a single contact available. Coming back to Pabbly Connect dashboard, clicking on this button save and send test request, and I will wait for the response to be received. And once the response is received, that means the contact has been created into this LionDesk CRM automatically. Okay, so I have refreshed my software. Let us wait for the contact to be created here. And here you can notice that one more user with the same name, and remember we have provided the full name in both the field, that is in the first name and the last name, so that is why it is showing the name in this way. Here we have the same email address, the same phone number, and we even have the date. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between LionDesk CRM and Pabbly Connect is also working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time someone is going to fill your Google form, the details of that person will be created as a contact into the LionDesk CRM. And to automate this whole process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into the description box. So you just need to click on that link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.